Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Lancashire. My name is Josh. I'm going to be giving you a tour of this Volkswagen Transporter Kombi. So this is a 230 Highline, 150 PS. So we'll start at the front here. Got your LED headlights. Down at the bottom there, you've got your front parking sensors. Coming around to the side there, you've got your 16-inch alloy wheels. Coming into the driver's side, as you can see just there, you've got your controls for your heated and folding room mirrors. Got your headlight switch down there, so you can set that to automatic. As you can see, it's only done 10 miles. Got your leather multifunction steering wheel there. And then just in the middle here, you've got your DAB digital radio. Got your media here, your slightly source down there. You've got your phone connectivity, voice control. Got your navigation system there. App connectable, connecting via USB, so you've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, MirrorLink. Got a bit of vehicle information there. And then you've got your menu just down there. As you can see, press these buttons, you can operate the sliding door on both sides, just like that. Got your parking sensors button just there. In the middle there, you've got your air conditioning controls. You've also got heated seats separately controlled for both sides, there and there. Got your 7-speed DSG gearbox shifter there. Just to the left of that, you've got your 2 USB-C ports, cup holder and 12-volt socket. You've also got another 12-volt socket up here, cup holders both sides of the dash there, storage compartments there. Just underneath there, you've got your glove box. You can see you've got rubber flooring in the cab here. You've got 5 seats in total, and both your 2 front seats do have armrests both sides. Just go and head around. So you can see it's finished in Ravenna blue, which is a metallic paint. Just pull the door handle and it'll open. You've got your second row of seats there, so that's a 3-seater bench. Got rubber flooring continuing towards the back there. Got your load latching rings for securing your load as well. The door will close the same way as well. Just pull the handle. Coming around to the back, got your tailgate. You can see there you've got your rear view camera. And the tailgate opens on its own, just the pull of the latch there. So you've got rubber flooring in the back, load lashing rings as well. And just to close it, just press this button here. It'll close on its own. You've got the same on this side. As you can see, you've got your bench there again. And just down here. As you can see, you've got your diesel and your AdBlue fill-up points. Got a view of the cab there from the passenger side. If you'd like any more information about this vehicle, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 01772 911 356. Thank you for watching.